Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC for a 4-wheel drive mod buggy with my Tekno EB410.2. I am BQ, so I'm starting in the B main in pole position. That gives me a lot of pressure. I do not like being pole position, but I'll do my best to hold off who's behind me, which is an aggressive start racer. So we'll see how Joel does, if he runs me down or not. Anyway, let's go do this thing. I've made no changes to this from the Bego race. I'm still on the same tire, same setup. I didn't have time to even really service it, so everything's pretty worn, but it's been handling great here tonight. The moisture level is appropriate for this type of tires. Drive mod buggy starting in BQ. See if this guy runs me off the line. We'll see here. Hopefully I don't push wide or do something stupid.
We go racing, the sound of the tone. Marshal's ready. Driver's ready. Less than 5.
Ooh, I hesitated too.
Nice clean start. Look at that freight train. Oh!
Something happened. I got it ahead.
Change in leadership in the qualifying already. John Kennedy, Francis, Aiden, with Joel's right there, and Dan.
Whoa! Ugly Betty almost caught me out. I just roll it now. That brake body's reeling me in. I gotta increase my pace.
Battle right there between Joel. Oh, looks on the inside, Aiden. There's your battle right now. Dan gets by. John Kennedy is out front. He is your leader. Francis maintaining right behind him.
Two tag the tire.
John Kennedy, we got Joel gas in second. I had to look down at the computer for a second. He had a bobble. That was Francis get by. That was Dan catch up.
Oh crap!
You got a leader on his head. That's to stay around right. Just in the,
First
stay
mistake.
right there, Matt. Stay right there, Matt. John Kennedy is out front. Francis is in second. Joel Gas in third. Dan in fourth. Aiden in fifth. Nick in sixth. Kevin LaChapelle, Francois, and Kevin McEwen finish off the group. Second and third across the drop-off and into the stadium. The gap is 4.4 seconds between JK and Francis. Watch out, Kevin LaChapelle. You've got a couple of heat-seeking missiles right behind you. Battle, close battle we have right now is between Joel and Francis. Oh, Joel and Francis goes wide. Well, let Joel catch up. That was a close. He had a look. Little touch there, little touch there. He held it though. Joel's on the inside. It's a clean pass. Oh! Up in that space. There we go. And the battle goes back on. That allows Dan to catch up a little bit. That's a hot battle right now, Francis and Joel. Nice catch by Jonathan on the Marshall job. Down the back straight.
Trying to take it easy, taking off laps.
Joel looking, oh, can't keep up. Let us Dan go by. Dan takes the outside. Oh, and Dan gets a little sideways. Joel gets the fight. Somebody's got to take third. Joel now, he's coming around the corner. There goes second across the start-finish line. John Kennedy with a nice 5.5, almost 6-second lead. Looking for the bump up. Our battle now is with Joel and Dan. Dan gets by.
Whoa.
Deep breath, Joel. Deep
Oh.
breath. Our leader, the red and white car, Kevin McEwen, is on your tail. Work together.
Too much.
Sorry. Sorry, Dan.
There's the timer.
That's it, gentlemen. When you cross the
Okay,
line, you
this will
will
be
be
it.
on. Tone to tone for John Kennedy.
Okay. Held first that whole race. Pretty clean. One tire tag.
Kevin McEwen, Francois, and Nick and Francis are done. They compete.
All right, get the bump to the
Dan
out.
and Joel and